Hello everybody, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today you will learn the colorful liner. For this I am using Krylon ka mixing solution and the orange color from the palette of Pretty All Set UCANBE. Applying the transition shade with the help of big blending brush. Today I will show you that how I convert the eyeshadow into the liquid liner. I will apply the orange one, and with mixing the mixing solution Krylon, converting the eyeshadow into the liquid liner. If you want to see the process, then you can see the last videos when I teach the colorful liners eye makeup. You will get complete idea that how I made the color. Here I will show you the effect. Here I made the liner in mixing the Krylon ka mixing solution and applying it with the help of liner brush. As you can see, I converted the eyeshadow into the liquid liner, and it will give you the stay more than your eyeshadow. Believe me, you will never regret on this product. It will give you 24-hour long lasting stay, even more than 24 hour. Now create a wing. Now applying the eyeshadow to give in the metallic effect, and through this technique it will not smudge, not transfer. Now using the kajal pencil from the brand Charm Walk Beauty, applying it to the lower lash line. As you can see, again going to do the under eye smudging and taking the orange color for smudging the under eye, or with the help of smudge brush smudging the color. The brand I'm using for brushes, that is the Bellie. And the lashes I'm using from Bombay Vanity. Applying the mascara to the lower lashes, and the mascara I'm using from the brand Maybelline Colossal. So if you have any query, you can directly comment in the comment section. I will try to respond everybody as soon as possible. Till then, keep practicing with us or share it with everybody if you love our work and support us. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and we'll meet in next tutorial. Till then, keep practicing.